And we're leaving you now with our only in India story of the day. Here's a beauty pageant where you won't be able to take your eyes off the participants. Each one of them unique, absolute showstoppers. And they're gonna make you say, holy cow. Enjoy this.
Voluptuous, decked up and full of oomph. Here's a ramp show where you cannot take your eyes off the participants. These models may be plus-sized, but this is a show where the bigger, the better. Taking cow worship to a whole new level is this cow pageant. Cows strutting their stuff on a ramp in Rhotak, Haryana as their owners parade them proudly. Still rubbing your eyes? Well, see it to believe it. Some seemed born for the ramp, while others did not seem too keen on showing off their assets.
गायों की सुंदरता जो सबको दिखाई दे, ताकि गाय चल के न सुंदर से कैट से निकले, इसके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम बना है।
हरियाणा प्रदेश के लिए ही नहीं बल्कि समस्त भारत के लिए ये एक उदाहरण है जो हमारी प्रदेश सरकार ने इस तरह का आयोजन किया है और किसान भाइयों को ये बताने की कोशिश करी है कि देसी गाय पालने में क्या-क्या फायदे हैं।
The event was organized to create awareness on bovines and animal health with this rare display of cow's beauty. Finally, the most well-bestowed bovine won the pageant and walked away with a sash and a cash prize for its proud owner. Well, we're sure after seeing this, you'll be left thinking, holy cow. With Surendra Singh from Rhotak, Bureau Report, India Today.